the construction of the Panama Canal, connecting oceans. The Panama Canal, a monumental feat of engineering, stands as one of the most significant achievements of the early 20th century, reshaping global maritime trade by connecting the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans through the narrow Isthmus of Panama. Its construction was a saga of human tenacity, technological innovation, and a geopolitical chess game, with profound implications for international commerce and military strategy. The idea of a canal across the Isthmus of Panama dates back to the early Spanish colonial era. The narrow strip of land between the oceans tantalized explorers and traders with the promise of drastically reduced sailing times. However, it wasn't until the 19th century that serious efforts to realize this vision began to take shape. The French, buoyed by the success of the Suez Canal, undertook the initial attempt to construct the canal under the leadership of Ferdinand de Lesseps. However, this endeavor ended in disaster due to a combination of underestimation of the task, rampant disease, and financial mismanagement, leading to the project's abandonment and the eventual declaration of bankruptcy by the French Canal Company in 1889. The United States, emerging as a global power, recognized the strategic and commercial importance of a canal. The vision was clear. A canal would not only shorten the distance between the Atlantic and Pacific coasts, but also offer a significant military advantage by allowing rapid deployment of naval forces. Under President Theodore Roosevelt, the U.S. took on the colossal project, negotiating the rights to build and control the canal after supporting Panama's independence from Colombia in 1903. The American construction of the Panama Canal was an exercise in determination and innovation. Engineers faced a multitude of challenges: dense jungle, debilitating diseases like malaria and yellow fever, and the need to move massive amounts of earth. One of the most significant hurdles was the management of the Chagres River, which required an ingenious solution. The answer came in the form of a massive dam at Gayton, creating a lake to manage the river's flow and provide a reservoir for the operation of the canal's locks. The construction saw the deployment of state-of-the-art technology of the time. Steam shovels, railroads for removing excavated material, and innovative lock designs were just a few examples of the engineering prowess on display. The lock-based system was chosen over a sea-level canal due to the immense challenges and risks a sea-level canal presented. The locks, massive concrete structures, were designed to raise and lower ships over 85 feet, allowing them to traverse the mountainous terrain of the isthmus. The canal's impact on global trade and geopolitics was immediate and profound. The journey between the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans was reduced by thousands of miles, eliminating the need for the treacherous and lengthy voyage around the southern tip of South America. The strategic value of the canal in terms of military mobility was equally significant, reinforcing the United States' position as a global maritime power. However, the construction of the Panama Canal was not without its human cost. Thousands of workers from various parts of the world, attracted by the promise of employment and wages, labored in extremely challenging conditions. The toll was heavy, with many losing their lives to accidents, disease, and the harsh environment. The legacy of those who toiled and sacrificed in the creation of this engineering marvel remains a poignant chapter in the canal's history. In conclusion, the construction of the Panama Canal was a watershed moment in engineering and geopolitics. It exemplified human ingenuity, perseverance, and the transformative power of technology. The canal not only reshaped global trade routes but also marked a significant milestone in the United States' rise as a world power. Its legacy, over a century later, continues to influence global maritime commerce, underscoring the enduring significance of this monumental feat of engineering.